Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to recover deleted messages on Facebook. Now let's begin. Initially, on any browser of your choice, simply type facebook.com and hit on enter right now. Now as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now follow us step by step to recover your deleted messages. Let's begin. At the very top right, here's your profile right here. Simply click on this button that says account. Now something like this will pop up. Simply click on the settings and privacy button right here. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Once again, simply click on the settings button right here. Now it's gonna load up to your page like this. Once you are in this tab, you can see many things like this. You can scroll down and also look at the nav bar on the left. There's the Meta Account Center right here. Now what you need to do is simply click on the See More in the Account Center button right here. Now the Account Center will open up from right here. Now there are lots of things provided here like account settings and all. What you want to do is simply click on this Your Information and Permissions right here. It will open something like this. Now under the Your Information and Permission tab, right here you can find something like Download Your Information. Do note that you can also search for history and transfer a copy of your information. For now, we simply want to click on Download Your Information. Something like this will open up. What you need to do is simply click on Download or Transfer Information right here. Now since I have my Facebook profile and my page, it's asking me, where do you want to get the information from? Since I want to get my messages, I want to recover them, so I'm gonna click on my Facebook profile right here. Once it's done, I'm gonna click on Next. Now it's gonna ask you how much information do you want. You can either select the Available Information tab right here, but for now, as we only want to recover our messages, I'm gonna click on Specific Types of Information. Now this page will open up asking us to select information. From right here you can select Saved Items and Collections, Votings. You can scroll down and look at all of them. But right now we simply want to download our messages. Here's the message icon right here, simply click on it and click on Next. Now it's gonna ask you whether to download to device or transfer to destination. Simply choose whichever you wish and click on Next. Now it's gonna ask you to create files to download. It's gonna ask you to select the date range. You can select from whichever one you wish. 3 years, 6 months, everything. You can also add a custom date. You can also select the format in which you want to download your files. Well guys, now that everything's okay, simply hit on Create Files. Once everything's all done, you can see something like this. Your specific information download. Simply hit on the download button right here. It's gonna ask you to enter your password. Simply enter it right here. Once everything's all done, click on Continue. And your messages will be downloaded. You can open the zip file and look at all the messages. Well guys, that's it. That's how we recover your Facebook messages. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.